The channel. Today we are going to talk about Theta Network and what they're doing, what they're changing. Are they the next YouTube? I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, you guys are watching YouTube. You like this, right? If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, guys. Help me get 50 likes on this video. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like. If you guys are new to the channel, what we talk about is cryptocurrencies, cool stuff like this and stuff like that. No, we just teach you about cryptocurrencies, guys, how to become your own banker and teach you the ins and outs and talk about new projects coming up and investment ideas. Not financial advice, but just my thoughts. You guys take for what you want, do what you want. You make money, great. You lose money, great. Not really. But anyways, it'll be a good tax write-off, right? So Theta Network, what are they? Well, first let's go over the tokenomics. Circulating supply is 1 billion. And market cap is currently at 2,274,124,385. So they are a pretty big market cap. But what they're doing, they're hitting a huge ball. So it's not like they're swinging for a home run. Or swinging for a little first base run. They're going for a home run, guys. Let me show you. Where is it? Let me show you the current. Well, first, this is their adoption rate. So this is month over month. So they started around 3 million, and went down a bit, but then it just started taking off. People are like, oh, let's put videos on here. Oh, let's stream on here. Oh, you can earn Theta for people watching my videos and get paid for it. And I can earn money for watching videos and just watching them like I normally would. Wow, okay. So, I mean, everyone likes to get money, especially when you're doing nothing, right? That's the whole name of the game. So, they are getting a lot of adoption. They've used the Silver TV. That is part of theirs as well. But here's an interesting fact. Look at this. In 2017, Super Data Research put the combined audience for gaming video content of YouTube and Twitch at 665 million people. This is in 2017. Between me and you, video games took off even more since 2017. Just look at the stocks, EA Sports or Activision. Their stocks took off. Especially everyone being at home now. Everyone's just going to be like, oh, I'm going to do gaming. Oh, maybe I should stream this. And then everyone's like, oh, this bro's funny. In fact, the top YouTuber on YouTube is P. Diddy, and he's a video gamer. Think about it, guys. Anyways, or I'm sorry, not P. Diddy, PewDiePie. What's the difference? PewDiePie, P. Diddy? So on HBO and Netflix, they only have 227 million. So that's HBO and Netflix. But yet YouTube and Twitch, they have 665 million. And you don't even have to pay for YouTube or Twitch. It's free. Are you kidding me? The other two, you got to pay for them. So here's what they're looking to solve. Let me just go on the, well, first, actually, let me go over this. So here's the global IP video traffic growth. So 2020, IP will account for 82% of global IP traffic. So 82% of all eyes watching are going to be on internet video traffic. That's crazy, guys. All these TikToks, Vines, what are the new stuff? Twitch, something like that. Yeah, all these different ones. But look at this growth. This is the virtual reality growth. Now, why is this an issue? Well, here's the issue. So, all these different networks, they have this problem of delivering high quality content. So, you know how you guys are streaming and sometimes the video is buffering, it's loading, it's like, bro, it won't even load. And then you have another one where the content is like horrible and it's like, dude, I can't even see it. What in the world? How can I see this? Well, this is what this issue is solving. I'm trying to find the little... So here's how they're solving it. So first, you have the live streaming video of today. This is the current network. You have the content creator. So this is Jeff, John, Jim, Bob, or me. And then you got the video platform, which is YouTube or Twitch or whatever. Then you have a centralized CDN. Now, that is a content delivery network. So the content delivery networks are not this, but here are some of the content delivery networks. So you got Cloudflare, Fastly. Now, Fastly is a cool one. So I've already talked about this in one of the other videos, But basically what Fastly does is, so say for example you have a website, it can only take so many people on it, and it can take only so many requests. It's almost like going from Ethereum to Cardano. So from 50 transactions a second to sharding, which allows almost infinite. So Fastly, what they do is they basically screenshot your website, or not screenshot it, but grab all the information, and they have their own local nodes. That way, if someone's trying to get information from this side of the world and your center where the information is being displayed is over here, they got to travel this fast. And yes, it takes time for the information to travel, especially when you got 50,000 people pinging at it, and it's like it can only send data so fast. What Fastly does is it has separate nodes that are all over, and people can just go to the local node. And if someone's requesting, they'll go to that local node and so on. So it allows your website to scale and have faster speeds and so on. Believe me, if everyone was on Facebook and Facebook just had their own website and their own web hosting, yeah, they'd be quote unquote toast. No one would be able to access Facebook. Hence why when you guys are trying to file for stimulus checks or file for unemployment on the website, you guys remember that it was the circle of death, and every time you entered the information you try 100 billion times and nothing, it wouldn't work. So here's just a couple of them. They got plenty of them. AWS is another one. Microsoft Azure. There's so many of them. So anyways, this isn't about CDN, this is about what they're doing. So the centralized CDNs, the video platform has to pay them. So like YouTube, whatever, they're going to have to pay these people. And I mean, why would you pay buku dollars just to deliver to a viewer when, I mean, they're going to view it. That's great, but it's dated. So this centralized CDN can only provide so much data so fast because they only have so many nodes. It's just like the issue with 5G. We can't get, our phones are capable of getting 5G, but yet it's not faster because the towers aren't deployed yet. So there's no way to do it. So we have poor quality, lack of CDNs, lack reach, causing rebuffering, high load times, especially in many parts of the world. So in foreign countries, it's like, internet? What's internet? I don't even know what that is. I don't even have internet. About 60% of the world, or maybe about 50% of the world, can't even have a good internet access. So this is where this comes into play, is the people that do have internet access, they're having are struggling getting good quality videos, fast streaming. Everyone hates the circle of death, man. It's like time and time goes on, our attention span just gets as short as a goldfish. I mean, it's horrible. But it's also centralized and inefficient. Already went over that. So this is the solution. So you have validator nodes, guardian nodes, etc. These are the guys that stake their Theta tokens to earn T-Fuel. The reason why they do it is because, well, they earn Theta Fuel. Theta Fuel is the money of the network. Basically, it allows you to buy things and so on. So if you guys are interested in the project, do not buy Theta Fuel. Theta Fuel is the fuel of the network. If you guys are interested in buying into the project and thinking, oh yeah, this is going to 10x from here, or 100x from here, or it's the next YouTube, or whatever, buy Theta tokens. That's how you can purchase on this cryptocurrency. So the guardian nodes, validator nodes sell the Theta Fuel on an exchange. So on the exchange, this is where you can buy the Theta Fuel tokens. So the validator nodes and guardian nodes, they earn their Theta Fuel. So they get their different stake and they sell it to the exchange to get their money out. Hence why they're being validators and guardians. So basically it allows the information to go out. So they sell it on an exchange. Video platforms can purchase it, like Silver TV. Here's an example of Silver TV. You can literally go on here and watch a live stream. And you can watch this guy just do some random stuff. Yeah, this is live right now. If you guys can hear it, I don't know if you can. But it's live. Look at the quality of this. It's quality. It's working on Theta. It's awesome. It's cool. You can donate to him, subscribe, follow. I'm going to pause it so you guys can hear. Oh, well, you guys probably would rather hear him than me. But anyways, that's side note. And side note, guys, if you guys are liking this content, smash that like button. Help me get 50 likes on this video, guys. I would really appreciate that. It helps the YouTube algorithms, and it helps other people learn about cryptocurrency and teach other people about cryptocurrencies and help them out as well. And if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We teach you different investment ideas, different projects we're looking at. the undervalued altcoins, and obviously what the next move is and what you should be looking at. So this is kind of how the streaming goes. You can check out the streams, you can do live streams, you can look at games, you can watch at movies, old movies. I mean, you literally just play. I don't even know what the pants is this. All right, we're gonna change, guys. You can follow people. You can go under your inventory. You can get different items. These are the ones that I claimed. I just popped on it just to check it out. You can provide a referral link. You can invite your friends, and I'm sure they have some referral program. You can become a streamer. They'll teach you about it. You can go to the daily reward. So it's cool. Visit the website. Check it out. It's a really neat project. I really like what they're doing. Again, it's not financial advice. It's just my opinion. So that's one of the video platforms. So they provide Theta Fuel. So when you're watching that video, well, this platform, when you're watching their TV, this platform is buying the Theta Fuel. They're buying it from the exchange from these guys. So Silver TV is just one of them. They have a couple of other ones. They're partnered with stinking Samsung. What else do they need to say? So they provide the Theta Fuel. So if I'm watching those videos, I'll get paid just like BAT tokens. You get paid for your attention. Same thing with there. They pay the Theta Fuel for segments, which is me. I'm going to pay it for segments. So like if you see on here, we're going to go back to the streaming. I can watch and earn T-Fuel. I can go here, go on this channel. I can subscribe. And then when you hit subscribe, it's going to ask you to pay like a subscription if you want to. It'll have you pay, and if you don't have it, you can pay money. Oh, great! I earned 0.02 T-Fuel. Awesome. I don't care. I'm not really caring about that. But if you guys are wondering, well, if I buy Theta, how do I use T-Fuel? Well, 1 Theta token equals 10 T-Fuel tokens. And if you guys didn't know, a quick little tidbit of history, they actually used to be called Gamma. So Gamma was the actual Theta token. So here's the T-Fuel supply. This is why I'm telling you, don't buy the T-Fuel. There is 5 billion in circulation, but that is not the market cap. CoinGecko says it's the market cap. It really isn't, guys. Oh, well, yeah, no, never mind. Yeah, so it really isn't. It says that's the circulating supply and quote unquote says the max supply. It's not. That is not the max supply. They actually are starting to dilute it. They have a 5% inflation every year. This goes to the validators and the guardians, which are what we showed you sell on the exchange. Goes to the T-Fuel supply. But there is a burning mechanism. So they do burn 25% of each of the T-Fuel payments. So for example, if I was to subscribe to that guy's channel and pay T-Fuel, 25% of that would be burned. And then obviously the 75% would go to the actual YouTuber and so on. Well, not 75%, but he would get the full amount, and then on the actual inflation, 25% would get burned. So it's a really cool concept, really cool project, and also if you sign up on the video platform, you're probably going to have to pay as a viewer to get that. And then you also have the relayer. So this is the local guy who wants to share your computer. You can download a node, you can share your internet speed with people and allow people to actually use it, or streaming. So you can stream on it and be like the node, just like Fastly. So instead of this video platform having to go out to there, they would have to, you can share it with someone else so they can watch it through that live stream. Cool concept, really neat project. In fact, I mean, look at this. These are some of the leaders on there, but this is their blockchain team. This is interesting. Steve Chen, the co-founder of YouTube, he's actually behind this. He's actually helping with this. It's crazy. So they got a lot of people behind this. Sony, they got CJ Hello, they got Twitch. I mean, these guys are on this platform. It's like even Verizon's on here. Are you kidding me? Ratukin, Microsoft. I mean, they got a lot of big names behind this. This is just like a breeding ground. Here's some of the investors right here. Samsung. That's a big one, guys. If I have to tell you that's a big one, you're blind. But I mean, geez, they got so many investors. They got a big team going for them. They have a big mover advantage. Sure, they got to compete with things like Twitch. They got to compete with TikTok. TikTok is the other one, and like YouTube. Yeah, you got to compete with those. But there's so many people out there, And some people are like, oh, well, I can't see all the videos on there. Or, oh, or the cool gamer I like to watch, he's on this one. So I want to go to the Theta and watch him because he goes here. Well, people go to Theta because, well, if you watch videos on YouTube, you don't get paid. You watch videos on Theta, you get paid watching videos. So you're incentivized to go there. And if they have good content over there, then more people are going to go over there saying, yeah, I'll post on Theta because more people watch. And that's how it works. So it's compounding. So the more people that adopt and more, so on. So you can also keep that in a concept. It's almost like Facebook. So first you had one, which was MySpace. It had so many users, but then people started going on Facebook, and then their friends were like, bro, you don't use Facebook? Well, use Facebook now because I'm on Facebook. And then you know how it goes. They tell their friends, and their friends tell their friends, and those friends tell their friends, their cousin, and their cousin tells their mom, and their mom tells their dad. And you know how it goes, guys. It spreads. So you have Theta Token. That's the concept of it. So what they're really looking to do is lower the prices on CDNs. So these guys right here, these video platforms, they're having to pay a lot of money. Well, yeah, video platforms, they're having to pay a lot of money to these guys. The centralized CDNs, the Amazon Web Services, the Fastly, the ridiculous fees. Their stocks are blowing off top because everyone's staying at home and they need more data and faster load times because everyone hates the circle of death. And if your website's not faster, someone else goes to the next. So they have the CDN competing, or they're competing with different people on it because it's like the price is ridiculous and they could save 60% or more on I'll put in an interview to find it, but as you guys can check out that video, it's just with one of the founders on it. So basically, what is the Theta network? We already explained this. It's a leading video delivery network with blockchain technology. That's all. So it's basically like YouTube but decentralized. What are the Theta tokens? These are the T-Fuel tokens, also called Gamma. They aren't called Gamma much more anyways, but we already talked about the T-Fuel and so on. You can actually get a Theta wallet. Theta TV is a video platform that's on the Theta network. We already showed you what that is. 24/7 esports stream. So you can stream esports on there, and then people are watching and like, oh yeah, this is awesome. So it's cool. It's like a feeding network. So like on Theta TV, the guys or the people on the network, so like given the live stream of the TV, the people don't have to go straight on YouTube to watch the live stream and bog it down because it's horrible data and it's not high quality. They can just go straight to Theta TV and live stream a live sports game, and they can watch the sports game, and it's going to be in high quality because like on what is it called, on YouTube, if you're watching a live stream and the guys, it's like the last 3 seconds of the game, and this stinking thing just starts buffering. And it's like, does the shot go in? Did the guy score? I don't know. You got to wait 10 seconds. And then by that time, you're like sitting your head in the fridge like, man, I'm hungry. Oh, wait. Oh, who won the game? And yeah, so our attention spans are getting slow. But anyways, that's what they're looking to solve. It's really neat. It's a really good idea. And it saves people money. And you know what happens when you save money? Well, people adopt it, and especially when people earn money to use it. That's how it works. And you guys saw the growth chart that they had. So this is how they're gonna. So you guys are like, well, there's so many data, or so much data, so much information on there. Won't they scale down every time the node's got to upload? They got to upload all this information. Well, this is how the block is gonna participate in pruning. I'm trying to find it in their white paper. But if you guys want to learn about pruning, they have plenty of videos on YouTube about pruning. I'm not teaching you about it. Basically what it does is it makes the block size smaller. So here's the first one, and now your next one is about this big, 3. So it basically takes, so like you got these guys making a block, these guys making the block, and these guys making a block, and basically your consensus is this. These are your 3 main blocks, period. So, okay, we'll just take these 3 blocks and broadcast them. That's it. Anyways, so you guys can research it yourself, learn more about it. And the reason why they put a cap supply at 1 billion, obviously, it makes good tokenomics, and everyone knows when there's limited supply and excess demand, it makes the supply or the price of the token to pump. So this token has some pumpamentals, hence why it's up 20% today. But anyways, that's kind of small compared to what it was doing. Look at this, vertical. Literally just look at the max overview, vertical, straight up. This project was way undervalued over time. This was back when they were an ERC20 on the ERC20 blockchain. They've actually graduated to their own blockchain, so now they're on their own blockchain. But they have 1 billion market cap, and another reason why they did it is it stops bad actors. So you guys heard about the Clover little hack that they just minted so much of the tokens that it was just like, oh well, Clover's useless now. This one, there's no more that can be created. 1 billion made, 1 billion circulated, period. That's it. So if you want Theta, you got to go buy it. So it keeps the bad actors from printing it out or taking over on the system. So if they want to take over on the system, they got to buy 51% of the circulating supply. Have fun with that. That's going to cost you a lot of cash. You better have at least $1 billion. Let's see. Well, actually, that's going to go up over time. So as the token increases, and if that one purchase order, there's not enough liquidity for that to happen. So it's probably going to cost them way more than that. So that's really Theta Network in a nutshell. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button. I spent a lot of time on these videos to teach you as much as I can about the project, teach you about the pumpamentals, give you like a Theta 101 or Ethereum 101, Bitcoin 101, everything you need to know about the project and some of the things you need to know. And obviously, this isn't your only place to do your own research or to do your research. You need to do your own research too. Go on different websites, research about it. Go on CoinMarketCap. Look at it. Where can you buy it? What can you do? It's on Binance, so Binance is a huge exchange. Who knows? Maybe it'll be listed on Coinbase too, or even PayPal. But guys, I like this project. You guys don't have to like it, but this is my thoughts on the project, not financial advice. But again, you guys are new to the channel, smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe as well. I'd appreciate it if you guys hit that little subscribe button. It's free. It's easy to do. It takes less than half a second of your time, and it'll help the YouTube algorithms. That's it. So, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Guys, we forgot a wisdom one-liner. Welcome back. Like clouds and wind without rain is one who boasts of gifts never given. Yeah, I gave you that $1 million. Or, hey, bro, yeah, I'll give you $1 million 2 weeks later. Hey, I didn't get my $1 million. Guys, don't promise gifts that you don't deliver. It's just like clouds and wind without rain, especially in a desert. Oh, it's about to rain. Yes, yes. No rain. Guys, don't be that cloud. Don't be that guy. See you in the next one.